Hey dude, I just prestige in the MW3, and I unlocked the gold camo for my gun. In Battlefield 3, I figured out that you can snipe the enemy pilot. It's so awesome. I'm going to find out more of what I can do in Battlefield 3. It kind of don't make sense why the boss sent us to space. I just forgot what are we looking for. I thought we were looking for more of what we found in the jungle last time we went there. I heard that the boss got assistant. I also heard that the assistant survived in all the missions they gave him. But we survived all the missions too, right? Yeah, that's true. Anyways, I can't wait to meet him. I want to see how he is, and stories how he was in combat. Hey, did you know that you can destroy an airplane without a rocket or bullets? Yeah, almost everyone knows that. Well, we better get going, or the boss will complain again.